Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I am back with another review and today I am going to review Conduit AI Analyst. So just like the name suggests, Conduit is going to analyze, and what it analyzes is your data. So it could be business data or any other data, and once you import your data, you can also chat with that data. Conduit has an AI pilot that works just like ChatGPT. So all you have to do is just shoot your questions and you are going to get answers about your data. And Conduit is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $1,000, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $69. And as you can see, there are already 3 reviews. All of them are 5-star reviews. So now let's have a look at all the plan and features. So you are going to get access to the CoPilot that can give you any answer about your data. There are going to be templates that you can use with your data. There is data merging, cleaning, analysis, workflow automation, dashboard, real-time alerts, 500 plus integrations in order to pull data, Slack and email notifications, workspace permissions, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $69 where you can import unlimited data and you can have 10 users. You can connect 10 integrations. You can have 4 connections per integration. There is custom branding and 1 year of data. You can also opt for the tier 2 that has an additional feature which is 5 sub accounts, and there is also license tier 3 that costs $399 with 30 sub accounts, CNAME, which means you can add custom domain, and there is also the opportunity to white label. So if you want to buy Conduit on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard of Conduit. After you log in, you are going to get this dashboard. So the first thing you have to do is import your data. And for that, let's go to this imports and click on create import. And here are all of the apps that you can connect. So what I want to do is search for the Google ad. And then I'm going to connect this demo account. So click on connect. And once you connect a certain app, you will be asked which account you want to add. So I'm going to add this first account. And as you can see, we have successfully connected our data source. So now let's close this. So now once again, we have to click on import and then choose the account and click on import. And as you can see, the data on the number 1 account, it has been imported, and you can also see all of the data on here. And you can also export your data to Google Sheets or as a CSV file, or you can also ask the AI about your data. And you can also take various actions using the templates, the pre-given templates. So now you can export this data to SQL database. You can join it with other sources. So there are a lot of options as you can see. And if I open this task, so on this task section, you can see the activities of the integration. So now let's go to the dashboard. And as you can see, the import is now here. So you can also delete this import if you want. And now if you want to chat with your data using the CoPilot, just go to this CoPilot, create a new chat, and then you have to select the data set. So click on this. And you have multiple options in order to select the dataset. So you can select one from the connections that you have. So currently I only have one connection, which is the Google Ads connection. I can also add more. I can also chat with a spreadsheet. So I can add one from Google Sheet, or I can also upload CSV or Excel file. So I have already uploaded a sample file. So let me open this. So this is the sample sheet that I uploaded. And for example, now I want to ask a question from this sheet. So as you can see, the exit date for this employee is 2020, the year 2020. So let me ask this question. I'm just going to copy the username, the full name. So as you can see, here's my question. Now let's send this. And as you can see, here's the answer. And this is the correct answer if you remember the answer from the sheet. So this was a very basic question, but you can ask more advanced question about your data for proper analysis, and the CoPilot of Conduit is going to answer all of your queries. And about this CoPilot, you can also add instructions from here if you want. You can also change the role. So it is currently set to data analyst. You can also change it to generalist if you want. And then there is also this dashboard on Conduit. So you can create your own dashboard. Just click on create dashboard. So you can create your dashboard from your connections or your workflow or also AI answers. And then there are some templates. So as you can see, here are all of the Google Sheet templates that you can use for your data. And obviously there is connection that I already showed you. So I have already connected Google Ads, one connection. You can also connect more. The amount of connections available are simply huge. And last but not least, there is workflows. So you can create a new workflow. So now you can add various actions to this flow. For example, I want to add pull data first, and then I can also add more. So either from source data or also transform. So here are all of the transform actions, and there are also various filter actions as well as send actions. And you can either run your workflow right now, or you can also schedule it for later. Overall, I think Conduit AI Analyst is an excellent tool that lets you analyze your data, and there are a lot of integration options available. So you can connect your data simply from any platform, and then you can analyze that. And there are also a lot of templates such as exporting your data into SQL database. So they are going to save you a lot of time. And there is also workflow builder as well as CoPilot. You can ask literally anything about your data from the CoPilot, and you are going to get your answer within seconds. So if you want to buy Conduit AI Analyst from Appsumo as a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all of these features, and these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.